Welcome to our Grooming Kit Showdown. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the Norelco Philips Multigroomer MG7750 and the Shpaver 17-piece beard trimmer. Both kits promise to meet your grooming needs, but which one truly stands out? Let's find out. Let's start with the price. The Norelco Multigroomer is priced at just $64, making it a great value for a 23-piece kit. In contrast, the Shpaver trimmer comes in at $99, which raises questions about its value given the fewer accessories it offers. Clearly, the Norelco provides a more budget-friendly option without compromising on features. Next, let's look at the accessory count. The Norelco Multigroomer boasts an impressive 23 pieces, covering all your grooming needs from beard to body. On the other hand, the Shpaver kit offers only 17 pieces. This difference in accessories can significantly impact your grooming versatility and options. Finally, we compare the runtime. The Norelco Multigroomer offers up to 5 hours of cordless use, which is exceptional for a grooming kit. Unfortunately, the Shpaver does not specify its runtime, leaving potential buyers in the dark about how long it can be used before needing a recharge. This lack of information could be a deal-breaker for some users. In conclusion, the Norelco Philips Multigroomer MG7750 clearly offers superior value with its lower price, greater accessory count, and impressive runtime. If you're looking for a comprehensive grooming solution, the Norelco is the way to go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons like